How to switch citation styles in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then simply click on References. In References, you'll find Style, which is below Manage Sources. Simply click on Arrow in Style. From here, you can choose any. You'll find all these options: Chicago, APA, Ghost, and all these options. You just need to simply click on it and all your text will be converted into this text you choose. That's how to switch citation styles in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.